You already know who the fuck it is, man. It's your boy 4-4 Boss, man.
BankHead, big.
Yeah, got my nigga BankHead in the motherfucking back, man. Like I said, man, we do this shit. Yeah. We don't do too much jacking, man. Salute my nigga Tay Prince, man. That's Lil Bro, by the way. Yeah. Free my nigga Show Out. Lil Cuz Vernell. Yeah, free too, man. Like my nigga BankHead said. Yeah. We out here. Mixtape out here. No talking. Real nigga shit. Like I said, mixtape out here. No talking, nigga.
January 10th.
January 10th, nigga. For real. We out.
Boobah, what it do?
Boobah, what it do? Salute.